Hi, my name is Roger. I work as a project manager for the CRVI, Center of Robotics and Industrial Visions. The CRVI is a collegial technology transfer center based in Lévis in the province of Quebec and specialized in robotics and industrial visions. Our role is to help SMEs through technical support, R&D, and training. We also have for mission to promote robotics in general, robotic welding, and machine vision technology. This presentation is an educational tool for SMEs in the middle sector. Its goal is to demystify fears about robotic welding technologies assisted by machine vision system. The acquisition of a robotic welding system assisted by vision generally requires a minimum of knowledge and important investment, depending on the type of application. Over the years, we found that doubts and concerns still remain from SMEs in the advancement and use of these technology. That's why we created a project whose main role is to eliminate fears about these technologies by sharing the experience of managers of SMEs who purchased robotic systems in recent years. The CRVI provides 2 videos created in 2 Quebec SMEs working in the field of metal product but in different markets. These companies also incorporate industrial vision with their robotic system. You'll be able to see their experiences. Also, by using the following link, the CRVI provides access to a list of tips to consider before any purchase process.
Groupe JL Leclerc is a leader in the manufacturing and design of industrial metal products, mainly in the energy and transportation markets. We serve major OEM customers and we act as a Tier 1 supplier for them. Our services include the engineering, design, manufacturing, and delivery of these metal components, and we focus on the weldment assemblies. It's been relatively easy to implement the robotic cell into our company. First, the project has been really very well planned, and we have teamed up also with some experts in different areas to make sure that our project will stay on track and on budget all the time. There were 2 major fears that we have to deal with our robotic project. The first one was the monetary aspect. For sure, there was a fear that the project could easily bump the initial budget that we have set. But with a good planning and with a good follow on the project and with the help of experts that we partner with, the project was a real success. The second fear that we have to deal with is the HR aspect. For sure, at the beginning, employees were really afraid of losing their job with the arrival of the robotic cell. But we make them understand that we will use them instead of jobs that need more skills or more technical aspect, and the robotic will do the easy job or the repeat job. The main impact of the robotic project was the productivity rate that we increased by 400%. And by the way, we reduced also the cost of the part. And there were also 12 persons in the beginning working into the cell that were replaced by the robot, that we've been able to move to jobs that required more skills or more expertise. And as you know, it's really difficult in this time to have a good personnel. So it's been really good for us to be able to move this person instead of trying to find new personnel. There are 4 steps that I recommend for a robotic project. The first one is really to have a good pre-study of each family of parts to make sure that they could be and they will easily be robotized. The second phase or step is to really choose a good partner for the implementation of the robotic cell. The third step is to have a good planning of the project to make sure that technically and monetarily the project will go on and will stay on track. And the final step, but one of the most important one, is to have a good communication with the employee internally to make sure that they understand the project and they accept it also. These are the steps that we have done, and it's been a really good success.
The Norman Company exists since 1857. We are located in Saint-Pascal, Kamouraska, in the province of Quebec. It all started with wooden wheels, and over the years were added some other farm equipment like farm wagons and dump trailers, and also snow blowers. We have about 70 employees to work with us, and my two brothers and I are the 5th generation of the family to manage this company. The integration of the robot cell went very well. Our integrator took care of the installation. He also gave us between 3 and 5 days of training. After that, we were able to practice on the robot itself and do our first program with also the first jig for the production. For those jigs, we also had some help from the CRVI to learn how to build them a little bit differently than the others that we were used to do. We also had some help from our welding suppliers, who also gave us information about parameters to get to the quality and the performance that we were expected on the robot. Our fears at the beginning of the project were more about the technology itself. As we didn't have any robots in our facility, we didn't know anything about it. What kind of flexibility are we going to have with these things? Are we going to be able to program it ourselves, or are we going to depend from somebody else to do the program? What kind of competency do we need to make it work? Those were some of the fears that we had, and working with the CRVI and also our integrator, we were able to overcome all of those fears and make it happen successfully. The impacts and the benefits of this robot cell on our company are huge. Having a robot in our company is like having many welders just requesting for more work. So we had to review the process of preparation of the parts before it gets to the station so we can deliver them more faster. The production time cycle were also reduced a lot, between 40 and 80%, bringing with that some good cost saving to the company. According to me, the key steps for a successful integration of the robotic is to have a good plan. First, start by getting a feasibility study and a return on investment study. After that, you can meet with different integrators, learn to know them better, visit their installation, get confidence in them. Also, don't forget to involve your key employees right from the beginning of the project.